I remember the first time I tried to beat the algorithm, dropped my new single, texted at everybody I knew, begged 3 group chats to stream it on loop. Man, I even recruited my grandma.
You look like a boss in this car.
Well, I am. I am a boss.
Boss mode, everything! She accidentally blasted Megan Thee Stallion for 7 hours straight.
God damn it! What?
I kept refreshing Spotify for artists like it owed me child support.
Yeah, that's kind of stupid.
4 streams. One was me, and one, somehow, from Argentina. That's when I thought, this is it, I'm cooked. But what I didn't know then is the same quiet secret I'm about to give you now.
What?
Before I show you the secret, let me show you who's telling it.
You help a lot of people out here, bro.
It's just so amazing that I met you, bro. I love you.
Make a song for you, so you know. I ain't even started. Got a couple things I'm working through. I ain't even started. Got lots of shit on my to-do. I'm just about to flex. That don't include.
A strategy so subtle, most artists completely miss it. But it's the reason some songs randomly blow up weeks after release, without a playlist plug, without dancing on TikTok, and without spending $1 on any ads. Let me set the scene for you. Imagine Spotify as a nightclub. You're trying to get your song on the main floor. The algorithm party, Discover Weekly, Release Radar, radio, but standing at the door, that's Spotify's data bouncer. And no, he doesn't care about your name, or your drip, or your blue check. He's looking for one thing: stickiness, repeat plays, emotional triggers, human behavior patterns, and one of the most powerful signals that you can trigger manually is when your song starts showing up in private playlists across different accounts. Not public playlists, not influencer curated lists. I'm talking about the weird ones, playlists like Crying in the Shower, but still hot, Gym, but I'm emotionally unavailable, songs to stare at the ceiling dramatically to. When your song keeps landing in those, Spotify raises an eyebrow, because that's not fake engagement. That's emotional resonance. That's a human being saying, this belongs in my personal vibe archive. And when 30, 50, 100 people do that, Spotify's system starts whispering, wait, this might be a song worth pushing.
Can I talk to you real quick? Just a second, please.
Real quick, for you artists who really care about skyrocketing your career, I put together a free cheat code checklist that breaks down all these hacks step by step. Click this link in the description to grab it anytime and use it like a Spotify growth map.
Now, where were we?
Setting up the whole picture.
Because unlike vanity metrics, likes, comments, fake playlist, private playlisting sends one message: this track is personal, this track matters. And Spotify, it eats that signal alive. So here's how to weaponize this right now. Pick your most emotionally sticky track, the one that makes people text you, yo, what is this? Then post a challenge. Tell your followers, group chats, fans, I'm trying a weird growth strategy I just learned. If this song ever made you feel something, add it to 3 of your own playlists with unhinged names. DM me the screenshots. I'll repost the funniest ones.
Yeah.
You're not asking for streams. You're recruiting data soldiers. And these weird little playlists, they're the algorithm's guilty pleasure. This isn't about gaming the system. This is the system. Because Spotify doesn't care about your talent. It cares about your data signature. One artist I worked with had 6,000 monthly listeners. No major playlists. Decent music. She tried this exact move. 120 fans added her track to playlists titled things like Cry Myself to Sleep, Songs That Hurt More Than My Ex Ever Could, and Nobody Talked to Me, I'm main charactering. 48 hours later, her Discover Weekly reach tripled. 2 weeks later, Spotify picked up her track for suggested spins. She didn't change her music, she changed her data profile. Private playlists bypassed every surface level metric. No likes, no public clout, just quiet, honest behavior. It tells Spotify this is being replayed privately, emotionally, repeatedly. And that is algorithmic gold.
You're gonna love this.
Time we had the talk.
If this video is helping you even a little bit, please subscribe, like, and comment about something I talked about in the video. I appreciate you. Let's get back into it.
I'm flattered, by the way. Thank you very much.
It costs $0. No PR team, no gatekeeper, no budget, just a clear ask, a little vulnerability, and a sprinkle of chaos. Even 10 to 15 real fans doing this creates a sticky wave. Stack that over time, boom. Spotify starts pushing you like you've got a record deal. So here's your play. Right now, choose the one track that makes people feel something.
I need it!
Then post this. Trying something wild I just learned. If this song ever hit you in the gut, add it to 3 of your own playlists with ridiculous names. DM me the screenshots. I'll repost the best ones. Let's break Spotify's brain together. Because you're not asking them to stream your song, you're inviting them to hack the algorithm with you. They're much more likely to want to be part of something like that, even if they aren't a fan of yours yet. And if you're still here, you're not just watching, you're absorbing cheat codes most artists never hear. Grab the 50 Spotify hacks from my description below for free and go to my channel for even more cheat code videos like this one.
The end.